This is my Friday project. It is a water wheel. So my question was to design a water wheel in a downspout to generate electricity for when it rains. So I decided to work on the water wheel part and downspout part and generate electricity. Well, those are all secondary and third type projects. They're all a separate project. So I was just working on this one component. I will continue with this project until I complete my ultimate goal. So for this one, just making a water wheel. I originally had two designs, one that contained buckets, one that contained paddles like this one. The bucket one was was too hard to make. This one was a lot easier. The only questions I had was, well, how often do I need the paddles? Do I need it every 10 degrees? Do I need it every 5 degrees? Do I need it every 30 degrees? Or is every 90 degrees too many? No, but I decided to go with 30 degrees because that's a good number. I can easily make it. It's 12 paddles, and I know that it's used this way in many different water wheels / turbines. So, another problem was, well, I have the wheel. Well, how do I make it spin? Rod? Yeah, that's what this is. So I put a rod through it, about to glue it down, but this is only 1/10 of an inch thick, and it's 2/10 of an inch thick pieces attached to a rod. It's very weak joint. So I put inside of here, which is very hard to see, is six about 5-inch. No, not 5-inch. Six half-an-inch little circles attached to the side and on the rods to give it more surface area for it to help spin better. Or also it gives a lot of weight, which is also the reason why I wanted it as small as possible. So another thing is, okay, time to test it. Do I hold it? Well, that's going to get a lot of friction going on between my hands, make my hands very hot, and make very bad results. So I decided to make a way that would have a lot less friction, which was to have these boards with those little eye things and slide the rod in, which if you get done correctly, and this is supposed to be like hanging over like a sink or a bucket or something, it will spin very, very well, like this. So ultimately, when I was testing it, it worked very well. The only downsides is it's made out of wood, and it's fairly heavy enough that it doesn't spin, I don't know, like 1,500 times per second. I mean, per minute, not second, that's way too many. Per minute. So, to fix that, I need to redesign it. First, I need to make it smaller to make it fit in the downspout. So maybe make it down to 2 inches. Another thing, I need to make it lighter. So maybe I need less supports in the middle. Maybe I need to make it something totally different that's not wood. Maybe get a light metal rod through it. I'm not sure. So those are steps that I need to take to complete this project. But for prototyping goes, for school, it's done. I'm very pleased with it, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.